Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can or how to scan your Happy Meal toy in the Happy Meal app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you will just download the Happy Meal app from your Apple Store. Then from there, you have to scan your Happy Meal toy by the camera. Then it will open the game, such as you can see the screenshot. Some games like drawing, coloring, and many apps games for the kids like this you can give to your kid and he or she will enjoy. So by this way you can just do it, and it's a very easy process. So if you have any question, you can let me ask. You can let me ask any question in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.